Hey guys, my name is Kia and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kia and welcome. So guys, on today's video, I'm marking, like ticking on my bucket list. I'm going to Hanbok village or palace. I'm going to be wearing that Korean hanbok because it's Chuseok now. Chuseok is Korean's Thanksgiving, so I mean I feel like this is the best time to actually go to the palace and wear the Korean hanbok. So yeah guys, I'm going with my friend Kanyisa. After that, I think we're just gonna chill and maybe go to a museum or art gallery, something, you know, just chill vibes today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So in the meantime, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's go.
Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you're always on my mind. When you come around, I get scared and I see you. And I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head.
Hi, so I just arrived. Oh, the lighting just arrived here. Where we're supposed to go because I don't know how to pronounce his name. I'm with my friend there. Vlogger, YouTube. Remote our YouTube era. So yeah, oh, look at the background. We're still in a subway station. I think that's a museum. So yeah, now we're just gonna try to find something to eat. Then we'll continue with our day.
What are you using?
It's so pretty, right?
What is it?
Yeah. I'm not gonna run out. Just gonna stand here.
can't get worse. I'm to the side walking around and trying to get good spot to take pictures because the place is closed. And so everyone, like a lot of people are so mad because of...
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo ko macho.
We're going to find something to
Nobody
eat.
know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me I understand, so your dad know like me lah. See me I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make me tell me with this all thing come. I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna watch it every day. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Make you. Oh, baby, oh, no.
So next day, today's Friday. Today we decided that we're just gonna go to the beach and just have a chill day, you know. But it's already late because we are always late. It's currently 20 past 3, I think. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the beach and relax. The beach is like 30-40 minutes away, so it's not too far. And I'm gonna travel with a bus. I'm just gonna use one bus today. So yeah, I don't know if I told you guys, but we are currently on a long weekend, 6 days long weekend. It's called Chuseok, Korean Thanksgiving. So that's why I'm going to a beach on a Thursday, you know. But yeah, guys, see you.
This one I better do it, ja, ba, da. Me, I no get time, da, ba, da. Da, cover my face, calling me, da, ba, da. Biggie man, we do, we die. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment. I want enjoy, I want your life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. The girl them ride the whip. I know people die.
To the beach. Oh my god, the traffic was crazy. I wanted to wear a swimming costume, but I'm just wearing my swim bra and I'm wearing the thing underneath. But one thing about Koreans, they'll come to the beach with jeans and you'll feel so uncomfortable to just run around with your bikini.
Look at the straight, you are not my mate. If you become some every head of state. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The girl them ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon. Oh, you been the girl in ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
The sun is stunning. What? Wanna have some dreams. You wanna take a picture? Oh. is down there at the beach. Kita mana Korea sih bikin itu, terus kita tuh mana tak everything down at the beach.
Everything is different in my phone. Why is it everything? There's a phone. I left it like you left it like this. It's not South Africa. Where's my wallet? I want to check my wallet. Bye-bye, Batuku. Siya,